The higher you build, the farther you reach, the bigger you dream, the greater your maintenance challenge. Inspecting, cleaning, and coating in high and remote locations is expensive, slow, and dangerous. Aerial drones work well at heights, but they are not designed for repetitive tasks. Industrial robots safely perform dangerous repetitive tasks for extended periods, but they can't fly. Until now. The Apellix aerial robotics platform combines the precision, reliability, and continuous performance of a robot with the flight capabilities of a drone for safe and cost-effective maintenance and testing in dangerous and hard-to-reach places with no cranes, scaffolding, or rope work. Apellix is an early-stage company and the leader in aerial robotics. It is the only company with the proven ability to measure the thickness of steel on a 300-foot flare stack or clean and paint a wind turbine 260 feet off the ground. Our Apellix-designed aerial robots serve as industrial tools capable of all-day continuous work via shore power. The easy-to-use Apellix aerial platform can be deployed by engineers in the field with minimal training and adapted to a variety of uses including cleaning, coating, and non-destructive contact tests performed at heights and in confined spaces. Tests are compliant with industry quality standards and include eddy current, magnetic particle, liquid penetrant, radiographic, ultrasonic, and visual inspection. The Apellix platform is, above all, a safety tool. When there's dangerous work to be done, you need Apellix. Our software can be programmed to any industry quality standard, allowing the Apellix robot to perform multiple tests simultaneously. The intuitive Apellix dashboard allows inspectors to monitor data collection in real time and easily flag trouble spots. We constantly record geospatial, environmental, and job data via IoT and store at our data center. Higher, farther, bigger, better. Now robots can fly. And so will your maintenance and testing with custom solutions featuring Apellix,